bro, are you also wondering bakit sobrang bagal tumaas ng Shields rank pass mo sa CLM? What if I tell you na may tamang strategy para mapabilis ang rank mo, ma-maximize ang rewards at hindi masayang ang grind mo? Guys, kamusta? Peter Pan here. We are back for another video on CLM on Cross. And alam nyo guys, real talk, maraming players ang nag-perform ng random pero hindi nila namamalaya na nawawalan sila ng free rewards every single day. So in this video guys, I'll show you the best ways kung paano mag-rank up sa Shields Pass ng mabilisan. Kasama na ang tips, tricks at strategies na ginagamit ng smart players para masulit ang bawat mission. And make sure to watch until the end dahil may bonus tip ako na sobrang underrated pero malaking tulong sa mabilis na pag-rank up. First of all guys, para sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar, ang Shields Pass is basically your progression system sa CLM kung saan pwede kang makakuha ng extra rewards habang naglalaro. The higher you rank, the better the rewards. And also guys, these rewards is equal to crypto NFT points which can be exchanged into real ecosystem money. So guys, kung gusto mo talaga makapag-earn ng medyo malaki dito sa CLM, kailangan mong mag-rank up fast. Dito nga guys, dalawang paraan ang pwede natin gawin para makapag-rank up tayo ng mabilisan. First, kailangan natin gawin itong daily mission pass natin. Itong daily mission pass natin guys, meron dito yung mga mag-hunt ka ng files, mga dungeon use, kailangan mo lang mag-random open box, tapos mga equipment dismantling, kailangan mo magbenta na equipment, mag-fishing, mag-like ka ng mga seal talk users, and mga equipment enhancement. Itong mga daily mission pass guys, hindi naman sila ganong kahirap gawin. Ito, pagka-login mo sa game, huwag ka mag-farm agad, huwag ka mag-AFK agad. Check mo muna dito sa Shields Pass mo kung ano yung mga task na kailangan mong gawin because daily missions are literally one of the fastest ways para makakuha ng pass XP dito sa game. Kasi if you skip them, you're basically losing free progress. For the second step naman guys, never ignore season missions. Itong mga season pass missions natin guys, it is a very important task. Maski medyo mahirap itong gawin, kailangan natin unti-untihin dahil ito yung nagbibigay ng bulk ng mga shields points na naiipon at na-accumulate natin. Maraming players ang nakafocus lang sa daily task but season missions usually give big rewards and bigger progress. Yes guys, medyo mas matagal gawin but trust me, super worth it ito, especially sa pagtaas na ating ranking sa Shields Pass. Dito nga sa CLM guys, we are not playing hard, we are playing smart. You don't need to grind 24/7, hindi mo kailangang buong araw kang online. Ang kailangan mo is efficient gameplay. Log in, clear missions, claim rewards, and saka ka mag-farm or mag-AFK. But simple is effective. Okay guys, ito yung bonus tip ko na halos walang gumagawa. Always claim your rewards before reset or end of season. Because maraming players ang nakakalimot, tapos biglang boom, season over na, sayang lahat na unclaimed rewards. So before logging out, double check your Shields Pass. It literally takes a few seconds to save you some points. So ayan nga mga kasil, if gusto mo mapabilis ang Shields Pass rank mo, get more rewards and maximize every grind sa CLM, make sure na sunduin mo itong tips ko and comment down below what Shields Pass rank are you right now. At kung may sarili kang strategy, share mo sa comments para matulungan din natin ng ibang players. Also guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mas maraming CLM guides, tips and tricks, and money making strategies. This is Peter Pan signing out, and next na video natin, pag-usapan natin kung paano maging mas malakas sa CLM kahit low spender or free to play player ka.